In this video, I want to talk about how you can find the best smartwatch on Temu. So to do this, we need to do some filtering. So just search for smartwatch real quick. Smartwatch. Press enter. And once you're in here, what you want to do is click on filters. Inside of filters, you can just choose any of these. So if you want a men's one, just choose men's. If there's a specific color you want, just do that. And just filter these out as you want. But it's important once you come down here that you select 4 stars and up. Once you've done this, click on sort by and select top sales. What this will do is it will show you the highest rated with the most sold. So this one will mean that over 300,000 people bought it and a lot of people enjoyed it since it has a lot of good stars. So this is a really good way to find some products that many people bought and they really enjoyed, which probably means that it's a good buy. Now this is a good way to do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.